Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about here is how if maritime equipment injuries happen. Working on a cargo vessel, oil drilling rig, or dockside is hard physical labor. It can be made all the more dangerous in the presence of a heavy equipment, bulky shipping containers, and a dangerous drilling equipment. Dangers associated with cranes, winches, turbines, forklifts, heavy cables, and pipe tongues are present under many circumstances. Maritime professionals also have to contend with rough seas and heavy winds, which can make working with heavy equipment even more perilous. As a maritime worker, you rely on your employer to provide a safe working environment to ensure that you are provided with the right equipment and the right training. When a maritime industry employer or a company the employer works with fails in that obligation, employees may be hurt or killed. Some common causes of equipment-related injuries on vessels' drilling platform or docksides involve improperly maintained and inspected equipment, equipment that is not properly bolted, tied, or secured, workers who are not properly trained in the safe use of equipment, workers who are not provided with proper safety gear, workers who are not provided with the right equipment for the job, insufficient crew members assigned to work with a piece of equipment, equipment that is defective when acquired by employer, contractor, or owner of the vessels or rig. All of these accidents are preventable if the employer, contractor, or owner takes the proper precaution with regard to its equipment. At the Chris Law Firm, PC, we helped people who were injured in serious accident to restore what they have lost and to make their lives whole again. Our team of maritime accident attorneys has a reputation for obtaining fair compensation for injured seamen and other maritime workers who are hurt in equipment-related accident. Dangers of negligence equipment operation. Human error is one of the biggest challenges in ensuring the health and safety of maritime workers. While mistakes are bound to occur, many equipment-related injuries are the result of negligence. Unfortunately, negligence continues to be a leading factor in maritime accidents. Negligence practices like inadequate employee training, failure to take proper safety measures, and having insufficient crew members assigned to work with a piece of equipment can lead to devastating consequences for maritime workers and their families. A failure to operate equipment safely can result in explosions, fires, electrocution, mechanical failures, workers being struck or crushed by machinery, chemical exposure, and falls. Many of these accidents are preventable with proper safety practices and precautions. Why an equipment injury lawyer can give you the compensation you deserve? When you are hurt because someone else failed to take safety precaution with equipment on a marine vessel, drilling rig or platform, or at port, the person or company responsible for ensuring your safety may be guilty of negligence. Laws that govern maritime industries may allow you to sue your employer or liable third party for negligence and to recover compensation of your losses. If you were hurt in a maritime equipment accident, odds are your losses were significant because the type of equipment used in maritime industries tend to be large and heavy. An equipment-related accident can result in very serious injuries. Common injuries we see in maritime equipment accident cases include mild, moderate, or severe traumatic brain injuries, crushed or amputated limbs, back or spinal cord injuries, paralysis, severe burns, electrocution, torn ligaments, multiple bodily injuries, also known as polytrauma. These are all types of injuries that require lengthy recovery periods resulting in significant medical expenses. They are also injuries that prevent you from working at least temporarily and may result in a long-term or permanent physical limitation. Through a lawsuit, you may be able to receive compensation for past and future medical costs, loss of earning capacity, physical limitation, disfigurement, physical pain, mental anguish. The legal process is designed for people just like you. Good people who experience the tragedy of a serious injury and who need financial help to get through their physical recovery. A lawsuit is a way to attempt to put you back in the position you were in before you were injured. That is what the Chris Law Firm PC is here to do. When you are injured because of someone's negligence, you may have a right to compensation that helps you get your medical bills paid and to be able to pay your mortgage and other bills when your accident has left you unable to work. There is nothing wrong with exercising this right, and by doing so, you may be protecting your future and your family. Let us help you with your financial recovery so that you can focus on your physical recovery. And then the next is maritime accident laws. When you are considering a maritime accident lawsuit, it is important to know that the laws governing equipment related injuries on boats, ships, offshore rigs, or platforms or at port are complex. There are numerous laws that may apply, and which law or laws apply to your situation will depend on your specific circumstances. You may be able to bring a claim under the Jones Act, the Outer Continental Shelf Lands Act, and the Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, or legal doctrines such as unseaworthiness or maintenance and cure, or some combination of the statutes and doctrines. If you are a family member of a maritime worker who was killed, you may have a case under the Death on a High Seas Act or other federal or Texas laws. To succeed in your case, you have to file your lawsuit or make your claim under the right maritime law or laws. That requires the help of a Houston maritime accidents lawyer who has detailed knowledge of maritime laws and how they apply to your situation. And then the next is experience presentation for your equipment accident case. At the Chris Law Firm PC, for example, their team of attorneys have a decade of experience successfully handling maritime accident claims. We have won cases involving a broad range of maritime accident and injuries. Our lead trial lawyer Scott Chris recently obtained one of the largest published recoveries in Texas history for a case involving a single maritime plaintiff. In addition to extensive experience, we also have the sources of skills to take on large companies such as shipping companies or oil companies. We are not afraid to take cases to court. When we do, we'll back up your claim with some of the most knowledgeable experts in the country. The compensation you are able to recover will depend on the unique circumstances of your case. When you call us for a free initial consultation, we can explain your option and the potential outcomes you may expect, and then we will go to work fighting to get you the maximum compensation possible. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can say to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.